Okay, hi everyone, my name's Chris Binns. We're here at the Uluwatu Surf Villas. This is the Padang Pulse, your twice weekly Rip Curl Cup update show. And I'm sitting here with a bunch of the world's most talented groms. These guys have been over here with Rip Curl for a couple of weeks for Rip Curl's Tube Camp. We're going to meet a few of them now. So starting from the far end, introduce yourself to the world.
Hello, my name's Kirabelle Olsen. I am 14 years young and I'm from Avoca, Australia.
Hello, my name is Ketut Agus. I'm from Bali, Denpasar. I'm 14 years old.
Hi, my name's Davey Huxtable. I'm from Torquay, Australia, 13 years old.
Hi, my name is Samuel Pupo. I'm from Marzias, Brazil, and I'm 14 years old.
Awesome. All right, now we know a little bit about you guys. How about you tell us about some of your best waves from the trip and some of your funniest moments?
My best wave, I think, was in Pererenan at Canggu. I got 2 airs in the same wave. That was sick. And funny moment, I think Zav saw a dog in Keramas, a weird dog. That was so funny.
My best wave slash surf, I had a lot of fun yesterday Arvo with Ketut, Kirabelle, Tenchi and Arashi, and Kirabelle got really cut up on her leg. It was like really shallow and some gnarly barrels and it was so much fun.
My best wave at Ulu Barrel and Canggu, Big Air, that section, and Kramas, Churn section. Funnies is Kirabelle catch the reef. Oh, that's so funny.
My best wave was at Temples when it was just me, Fleno, Harry and Burger, and I got sick barrel. And my funniest moment was when we were all in the car and Xavier did a fart and it stunk so bad.
All right, on that note, we're going to sign off from the Padang Pulse. Stay tuned to live.ripcurl.com for plenty more updates from the Rip Curl Cup. Hopefully the swell comes up a little bit and we can run some competition action in the next week or so. Right now we're going to look at some footage of these guys going mad in Bali over the last couple of weeks. So have a good one, we'll speak to you soon.
You ever been afraid of the future? You ever been afraid of what goes on in your mind? Not even trying. And then there's those days when you can't make contact. Feel like you're holding life as a crime. You're nothing and you're nowhere. We all go to sleep on ourselves, spend our time on everybody else. If you wanna see someone, think about them real hard. Wanna see the future, you're out of luck, 'cause it's nothing and it's nowhere. We all go to sleep on ourselves, spend our time on everybody else. Been afraid of the future? You ever been afraid of what goes on in your mind when you're not even trying? We all go to sleep on ourselves, spend our time on everybody else.
It's okay to feel intimidated. I just got a look at her motor and she spills her secrets. Isn't that right? Come on, tell me if you've been naughty.
I might just stick to the facts if it's all the same with you.
Informed choices, informed trading, OctFX.
Maybe she just needs a hug.